Welcome to video day, project of the week. First cabinet is dry fit, dry assembly. It's ready to go. I've been working on the trim pieces. This is the test trim piece that I'm doing. This is a little deal from Hobby Lobby. I just set it up there. I need to make some kind of decoration. So what I've been doing is playing around a little bit of carving, and I came up with this flower design. I just drew it on a piece of paper and then used carbon paper. Yes, carbon paper still sold. Here's one that I printed offline and I traced it, and I started doing that on, practicing it on this side. So the idea would be to actually carve something like this in here. This doesn't take very long to do. There's two different versions. I mean, they're the same thing, but this one I think came out a lot better. I stained it so I could try to make the actual design pop a little bit. So you can see that this one looks, I think, a lot better. But the idea would be to hand carve something like that into these areas on the trim pieces that go up and where the bookcases come together. So that's what I'm working on now. I'll assemble the other one tomorrow, but I really need to get busy on these trim pieces and figure out how I'm going to do this. I have to put the ornate stuff on the top and the bottom, on the toe kick area down here. A lot of trim work on this. I have to figure out the lighting, the corbels, all kinds of other stuff. So I'm starting to do that now. I like to do the hand carving. Like I said, this doesn't take very long. And I can just duplicate that image over and over and over again by drawing it on there with the carbon paper and then carving it out with the V-tool and a gouge. I do not have the right size of gouge. That's why the flowers look all kind of jacked up. But once I get the right size of gouge, I'll be able to make the flowers look a little bit, the little leaves things look better. Well, there we go. Super exciting. This is actually starting to look like a bookcase.